breakout room and you need a little help with understanding how to write an explicit equation, pay attention to this video. Let's say I have this sequence here that starts with 12, then goes to 22, 32, and 42. Since it's arithmetic and I've told you that, then we just have to find that common difference, that pattern that lets us go from this number up to the second number, and so on and so forth. If we really wanted to do it, we could just subtract, but it looks like if I need to go from 12 to 22, then I'm adding 10. If I'm going from 22 to 32, 10, 32 to 42, 10. So this is our common difference. We call this D. D is 10. That's the first thing we need to make our explicit equation. The next thing we need to know is that this is the first number in the sequence. This is the second, third, fourth. But what we really need is the start value. What is it? What's the sequence number when we're at 0? In this case, to do that, we got to go backwards. So instead of adding 10, we can subtract 10. So 12 subtract 10, that's 2. We call that value our t sub 0 value. So that's 2. If we're trying to write our explicit equation, it uses this formula. T of n equals the common difference, which we're saying D, times n plus our start value, which is t sub 0. So if we want to figure that out, let's just substitute in what we know. Because we know that D right here is 10, and we know that t sub 0 right here is 2. So let's substitute those values in and get our explicit equation. T of n is equal to 10n plus 2. And there it is. Use that information to write the explicit equation for your example. Good luck.